Welcome back to part 3 of Python tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to make guess the number game. So we're just going to make it's just like a regular guess the number game where you can play with the computer. So without any delay, let's get straight to it. So the first thing that you need to do, if you watch my last 2 videos, you'd know how to do that. So if you haven't watched them, go ahead and watch them right now or else this video will be really confusing. So the first thing that we need to do is import random. I already know what that library is, the random library. That's what we need for this code. And then next we're going to define 2 variables, the number that we're trying to guess and the actual guess input. So n is going to be a random number, so random.randint, and I'm going to do 1 to 20 so it's easy, but you can range it from any number you want. And then we need to do g, the guess, as 0. So we're letting the compiler know that g starts off as 0. And then the next thing we're going to do is use the while function. So basically what the while function does, it's going to keep on looping until the guess is correct. So if it's wrong, then the while function will execute again. So while g is equal to n, then we need to make g as an input so the user can actually type in what number he wants to guess. Input. And then you can do like guess the number, or like, I don't know, what number is it? You can do either one you want. And then after, we need to use this thing called dot strip. So if the user accidentally types an extra space after his guess, then it will just strip it off and he won't have any problems with that. So then we need to make sure that g is an int, so it stores it as a number and not like any random word. So int, the int data type. And then we need to use 2 if statements. One that says if the guess is too big, it will print too big, and if it's too small, it will print too small. So if g is greater than n, print too big. And then if g is smaller than n, print too small. Okay, so after you do that, we're done with the while function. So then we need to print a command out of the while function so it doesn't keep on repeating. We're going to print correct. So we're letting the user know that his guess was correct, and then the game's finished. So if we put in the while function, then it'll keep on repeating correct, and then it's like kind of a bug, so don't do that. So now let's save it, and now let's start running it. One module. Guess the number. 7. It's too small. 18. Too big. 15. Too big. 9. Correct. So yeah, maybe you can play with your friends, make it a challenge. Who can guess it in the lower number of tries? I don't know. You can do anything. That was it for today, guys. You learned how to make the guess the number game. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. I'll be coming back to more Python tutorials, so make sure to stick around. I know you're getting sick of the same outro over and over again, so I'll make sure to change it. Bye.